Hey folks, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. This morning I got a question on Quora that was really interesting, and I thought rather than answer the question on Quora, I'd create a quick little video. The question was about showcase pages, and I have one that I play with, and I don't use it a lot, but it is an interesting place to share content on LinkedIn. And so this guy has a showcase page, and his question was about how do I share content from a showcase page to my company page. So here's how you do this. It's a little bit different than you would expect, but it actually works pretty cool. So if you see right here, if I go to, from management, I'm on the management side. I'm actually, you can see I'm in the admin view right here, but I don't have a share button. But if I go over here to member view, and in member view, I have a share button, but here's the problem. If I click on the share button, it lets me share to my news feed or as a message, and that's it. And that's not what we're trying to do. I want to share it to the company page. So watch this. I'm going to hit escape. Well, here's the article or the post I want to share. I just shared this a few minutes ago about an upcoming webinar series that I have in April of 2018. But look right here. See these three dots? These three dots, copy link to post. Now this is pretty cool. I can copy that link. Watch when I copy it. Now it tells me that I have it. Now I'll go to my company page. I'm going to go back to my company page. Here's my company page. I'm in admin view, so that lets me share stuff from admin view. I can click here and I will do a Control V or paste and paste that URL. Now here's what happens. It comes in here without a decent image. No good image. And I want a decent image. Let me first write my little editorial statement first. So there's my editorial statement. I'm going to leave the URL right there for right now, but look at this. LinkedIn's added this little camera here, so I can click on the camera and I can replace this image. Click on camera. I want to use this image right here. So the image has been replaced, and this is still a hyperlink. So when I post this, you can see that there's the post. There's the hyperlink that's there, but this is still a hyperlink, and watch when I click on this. I can see the showcase page post. Here's the showcase page URL, the number of followers. I can go view the full profile of that showcase page if I want to, but more importantly, this hyperlink is the same hyperlink that is on that showcase page posting. I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope that quick little video about how to share showcase page postings to your company page is helpful.